Before we dive deeper into using QuickBooks Online, it's important to address something you'll likely encounter as you work with the software: updates and changes to the user interface. QuickBooks Online, like any modern software, is constantly evolving to enhance user experience and functionality. While these updates are designed to improve the platform, they sometimes cause slight differences between what you see in our tutorials and what appears on your screen. The good news is that these changes rarely affect the core functionality of QuickBooks Online. The tools you use to manage your business, the transactions you record, and the reports you generate remain consistent. What might change is how you access these features. For instance, buttons and menus may shift places, or certain options might be renamed or reorganized to enhance usability. Let's take a practical example. Consider the New button, which is used to create transactions like invoices or expenses. In earlier versions of QuickBooks Online, this button was represented by a plus sign, located in the top right corner of the interface. However, recent updates might have moved this button to the left-hand menu and renamed it simply New. While the location has changed, its functionality remains the same. It still provides access to the same transaction windows. Another area subject to updates is the Report section. Although the names of the reports and their functions don't change, the way you navigate to them might. Previously, you might have accessed reports through a single menu with various categories. Now, QuickBooks has organized reports into three main categories: Standard Reports, Custom Reports, and Management Reports. If you were accustomed to finding a specific report under a category like Business Overview, don't worry. The structure remains intact. The navigation may just look a bit different depending on the latest interface update. These updates are part of QuickBooks' ongoing efforts to respond to user feedback and improve the platform. However, they can sometimes lead to confusion if you're following a tutorial that was recorded before these changes were implemented. If you find yourself in this situation, the best approach is to remain patient and confident. Explore the interface a bit, and you're likely to locate what you're looking for. The feature may be labeled slightly differently or placed in a different section, but the core functionality you need will still be there. For example, if I direct you to click a specific button or menu in this video and you can't find it in the exact spot shown, take a moment to scan your screen. Look for similar labels or icons. More often than not, you'll discover the feature within a few clicks, perhaps under a different name or in a new location, but the fundamental actions remain the same. One of the best ways to adapt to these changes is to view QuickBooks Online as a dynamic platform. It's built to grow and improve, which is why these updates are necessary. The key aspects of managing your business, like reporting and transaction recording, will always follow a consistent logic. Remember, QuickBooks is designed to simplify accounting, even when interface updates occur. By taking some time to familiarize yourself with any new changes, you'll quickly adapt and continue to work efficiently. And remember, you can always turn to resources like this video, the QuickBooks Help Center, or even the test drive feature to explore updates without risking your real data. So, if you encounter an updated interface, don't feel overwhelmed. Have confidence that all the functionalities you need are still accessible, and the processes for recording transactions or generating reports will continue to operate logically. Now, let's move forward and explore how to make the most of your QuickBooks Online account, regardless of how the interface evolves over time.